Hello everyone. Now worksheet 6. This worksheet is related to factorization. Remember, in factorization always the term should be in the bracket. Means between the term there should be a sign of multiplication. So same thing we will apply it over here. Observe in first part. This is one term and this is another, and in between these two there is a sign of minus. So this question is not in the form of a factorization. Why? Because as I have told it that in factorization the sign should be of multiplication, but here the sign is minus. So let's go for this question, how to do the factorization. Observe these two terms. What is common in these two terms? If you will observe, x plus y and x plus y is there in both the terms. So what we will do, we will take this x plus y common. Okay. अब बाकी क्या बचेगा? We have taken these x plus y as the one term common. Now the left term is here 2x plus 3y. Now there is a minus sign, so put the minus sign, and what would be left? This we have already taken it out, so x plus 1 will be there. Now you have to go further, you have to solve it further. X plus y, keep it as it is. Now in this bracket 2x plus 3y, this is minus sign. So if you will open this inner bracket, the sign will get changed. This you know it very well. Now this can be solved it further. Take the like terms, 2x minus x will be x, and write the other unlike terms. Now observe these two terms. If you will observe these two terms, there is a sign of multiplication, and we can see that this term, this result is in the form of this concept. So it means that this is a factorization. अगर आप इसको ब्रैकेट को ओपन करेंगे by doing the multiplication and after solving it, you will be getting the answer as same as by solving these two terms. Okay, so you will not solve it further. Why? Because in that case the factorization will not be there. हमें इसे factorization form में convert करना है. Means between the brackets there should be a sign of multiplication. Now let's go for the second question. In second question, this is one term and this is another term. Basically we are taking the common term, or we can say the HCF part, we are taking it out. Now this is 9 and this is 12. So what is the common here? 3 is the common. This is x and this is x square. So you know it very well that if the variable is there, then the lowest power you will take it out. And this 6x minus 5y and 6x minus 5y is also there in both of them. So that also we will take it out. So these are the terms which are common in both of them. Now we will put the bracket. अब first में से हमने 3x 6x minus 5y we have taken it out. अब क्या बचेगा बाकी? Out of this 9, because 9 can be split up as 3 into 3. So 1 3 we have already taken it out. So 1 3 will be left out. And x and 6x minus 5y we have already taken it out. So you will not write it. Put the minus sign. अब 12 में से 3 we have already taken it. So this is 3 into 4. So we will write 4. X square में से एक x बाहर है हमारा, so 1x will be left out. And this 6x minus 5y we have already taken it out and close the bracket. Now observe again, all these three terms are in multiplication form. So it is in the factorization. It is in the factorization. Now next question. In question number 3, this is first term, this is second term. First term and second term. Now, okay. Now in question 3, this is one term and this is another term. So we will be taking out x cube है, यहाँ x square है. So lowest power we will take it out. And a minus 2b is there in both of them. This we will take it out. Okay. Now put the bracket again. X cube में से x square we have already taken it. So 1x will be left out. ये आपका already बाहर है. So you will keep it. You will not write it. Plus x square a minus 2b is already inside the bracket. Is already outside the bracket. So x square x square a minus 2b already बाहर है. So what is left out? यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं रहा. So it means 1. Okay. So this is the answer. All the terms are in multiplication form. So that's why this is called as factorization. Now in question 4. In question 4, this a minus b whole square. So we can write it 2 times. Like this we can write it. And plus a minus b. Now let's see what is common. A minus b and a minus b is common. So we will take it out. And what is left now? 1a minus b plus, ये तो हमने बाहर निकाल लिया. So it means nothing is there. So it means 1 is left out. Isn't it? It's quite easy. Let's see the fifth one. P minus 2q is there in both of them. So we will take p minus 2q outside the bracket. And what is left now? 3a minus b. So this is the factorization. Let's go for this one. This is 8 and 12. So what is the HCF of 8 and 12? That is 4. And these two are also common. So we will write it inside. We will take it out. Now let's see what is left out. Out of 8 we have taken 4 as common. So इसकी जगह क्या बचेगा? 2 plus ये 5x plus 9y हमने पहले ही कॉमन ले लिया. Plus this 5x plus 9y is already outside. So plus 12 की जगह क्या बचेगा? We have taken 4 already. So this is 4 into 3. So plus 3. So this can be solved further. 2 plus 3 is 5. So multiply 5. आप इसे further भी लिख सकते हैं. 4 multiply 5, that is 20. And in the bracket 5x plus 9y. I hope all these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.